Welcome aboard the National Geographic Lindblad Islander 2, your getaway to an unforgettable Galapagos expedition. Today we're giving you an exclusive tour of our suite aboard this luxurious vessel designed for exploration and comfort. And remember, at Prince Adventures, we specialize in crafting tailor-made luxury expeditions like this one. Book your journey with us today and let us take care of every detail so you can focus on the adventure. Email travel@princeadventures.com. Now let's take a look inside, and as soon as you step into our suite, you'll feel the blend of modern elegance and natural inspiration. The space is thoughtfully designed with plush furnishings, ample storage, and large windows that frame the breathtaking views of the islands. Your ensuite bathroom offers all the comforts of home, complete with premium amenities and a spa-like shower to rejuvenate after your day of discovery. And the best part, waking up to this, the pristine beauty of the Galapagos Islands right outside your window, is an experience that truly connects you with nature. The Islander 2 ensures your journey is as indulgent and as inspiring as world-class dining, expert guides, and endless opportunities for exploration. Ready to make this dream a reality? Contact Prince Adventures today and let us plan the perfect Galapagos expedition for you. Visit our website or give us a call. We can't wait to help you embark on a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We are ready for your email too, so contact us at email travel@princeadventures.com.